In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive with someone. Whether you're collaborating on a work project, sharing photos from your latest vacation, or simply need to give someone access to a file, Google Drive makes it incredibly easy to share your files and folders. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you can confidently share your Google Drive contents with anyone, anytime. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to Google Drive. Head over to your web browser of choice and type in the Google Drive website. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in if you're not already. Type in your email address, your password, and click Next. This will take you directly to the main page of your Google Drive, displaying all your stored files and folders. Now, let's dive into the sharing process. Look for the file or folder you wish to share. Once you've located it, you'll notice a variety of options appear when you hover over the item. The one we're interested in is labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. The moment you click on Share, a new window will pop up. This is where you can manage exactly how you want to share your file or folder. For our purposes, we're focusing on creating a shareable link. This option is particularly handy if you're sharing with someone without specifying their email, or if you're planning to share the link with multiple people. To proceed, locate and click on Copy Link. This action automatically copies a shareable link to your clipboard. What's next? Well, that's the beauty of it. You're practically done. You can now paste this link in an email, a message, on social media, or anywhere you want to share access to your Google Drive file or folder. Anyone who receives this link will be able to access the file or folder you've chosen to share based on the permissions you've set. Just a quick reminder, always make sure to review the sharing settings so you're not accidentally giving more access than intended, such as editing capabilities, when you only mean for viewers to have reading permissions. And there you have it. Sharing Google Drive files and folders really is that simple. Remember, sharing your work or personal files is all about convenience and collaboration, but it's also vitally important to ensure you're doing so securely. Always double check whom you're sharing your files with and what permissions you're granting to keep your digital world a bit safer. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has helped demystify the process of sharing files and folders on Google Drive. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to make the most of your digital tools and services.